Hello, my name is Henry O. It is my pleasure to welcome you to online comprehensive English class. In this video, I will treat the topics: the meaning of an adverb, types of adverbs, and the grammatical functions of adverbs. An adverb is a word which modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs are placed either before or after verbs, adjectives, prepositions, or other adverbs to show how, where, when, to what extent, how many times an action was performed or is performed. Adverbs answer the questions: how, where, when, to what extent, how often is an action performed. Adverbs also answer the questions: was the action performed or was it not performed? Examples of adverbs are very, often, slowly, today, yesterday, always, etc. Look at the sentences on the board. Stella speaks fluently. The word fluently tells us how Stella speaks. Therefore, fluently is an adverb which modifies the verb speaks. Sentence number 2. The weather is very hot today. The words very and today are adverbs. The word very tells us how hot, the intensity of the hotness of the weather, while today tells us when the weather is very hot. 3. They always visit me. The word always tells us how often they visit me. Therefore, always is an adverb that modifies the verb visit. 4. He looked around carefully. Carefully tells us how he looked around. So, carefully is an adverb modifying look. 5. Davido performed wonderfully at the stadium last year. The words wonderfully at the stadium and last year tell us something about how Davido performed. So wonderfully tells us how Davido performed at the stadium last year, and at the stadium tells us how wonderfully Davido performed last year, and last year tells us when Davido performed wonderfully. So wonderfully at the stadium and last year are adverbs. That brings us to the subheading: types of adverbs and the grammatical functions of adverbs. There are 7 types of adverbs. They are adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree or intensity, adverbs of affirmation, and adverbs of what? Negation. Let's now take them one after the other. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how an action is performed. Adverbs of manner answer the questions: how was an action carried out? How is an action carried out? How will an action be carried out? Consider sentence number 6 on the board. She walked away quietly. The adverb quietly tells us how she walked away. So, quietly is an adverb of a manner, modifying walked away. He spoke graciously, or he spoke gracefully. Graciously is an adverb of manner which tells us how he spoke. So, graciously modifies the verb spoke. It's telling us the manner, the way something is done. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where an action was performed or is performed. Adverbs of place answer the questions: where did it happen? Where will it happen? Where is it happening? For instance, look at the sentence on the board. Teresa lives here. Where does Teresa live? Here. So, here is an adverb of place modifying the verb lives. The principal is in the office. Where is the principal? An adverb of place will answer that question: in the office. Therefore, in the office is an adverb of place modifying is. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens. Adverbs of time answer the questions: when was it done? Where is it done? Where will it be done? Look at sentence number 3 on the board. I returned yesterday. The adverb yesterday tells us when I returned. So, yesterday, it is an adverb of time modifying the verb returned. The children eat before going to school. When do the children eat? Before going to school. So, before is an adverb of a time modifying the verb eat. Let's now look at adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often or the number of times an action takes place. They answer the question: how many times did it happen? How many times or how often does it happen? How many times or how often will it happen? Look at the example on the board. My father takes us out quite often. The adverb very quiet modifies the adverb often, and the two adverbs put together, quite often, modify takes us out, telling us how often the father takes the children out. I pray every day. Peter eats every day. How often do I pray? Every day. So every day is an adverb of frequency modifying pray. Let's now look at adverbs of degree or intensity. Adverbs of degree or intensity tell us to what extent, to what level, to what degree is an action performed. Adverbs of degree or intensity answer the questions: to what extent, to what level did it happen, to what extent, to what degree is it done, to what extent will it be done. Look at the example on the board. The weather is very hot today. Very shows how hot weather is. So that is an adverb of what? Degree. The other adverb of degree, student give it to me. That is number. What on the board? Can you remind me? 9. That's what? Yeah, read. You what? Good. Mercy is very beautiful. Very is telling us how beautiful mercy is. Therefore, very in sentence 9 is an adverb of intensity or degree. The weather is quite cold. The water is very cold. Very in this instance is an adverb of what? Degree. That is extremely wrong. Extremely is an adverb of a degree, telling us how wrong it is. Now, let's now look at adverbs of affirmation. Adverbs of affirmation affirm a statement or something. They confirm something. For instance, yes, surely, definitely, really. These are all adverbs of affirmation. Yes, the boys are ready for the work. Yes is an adverb of affirmation in that sentence. Definitely, we will come. Definitely is an adverb of what? Affirmation. Then, the 7th types of adverbs, that is, adverbs of negation. Adverbs of negation show negation in sentences. What has not happened, will not happen, or is not happening. For example, not, never, no, no, I will not come. That is an adverb of what? Negation. Timothy has never visited me. Never is an adverb of what? Negation. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Share this video with others. And follow me on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook from 4 to 5 p.m. every Friday. We equally welcome your constructive criticism, observations, and recommendations on how to improve on the quality of this video. Be free to express your mind. If you are enjoying my videos, let me know at the comment section. If you are not, let me know so that I know the areas to work